Sony FX30 review. Hello friends. Today I am going to introduce you to one of Sony's most ambitious entry-level cameras in the world of cinema, the Sony FX30. With its compact design and cinematic image quality, it's a great option for content creators and filmmakers. But does this camera really deliver what it promises? How well does it perform in professional shooting? Let's take a closer look at the Sony FX30, from design to performance, stabilization to sound. Friends, before you start watching the video, I have a small request. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video and share your comments with us for more new videos and reviews of great technology products. Everything will be shaped with your support. Now let's get to know the product better. Have a good time. Design and ergonomics. The first thing that stands out about the design of the Sony FX30 is its lightweight and compact design. It weighs around 646 grams, which makes it comfortable for long shoots. The body is made of magnesium alloy and feels really solid. Thanks to the cooling system, there are no heating problems during long shoots, which is a great advantage for professional shoots. We can state that there is no drop in performance, especially during long-term 4K shooting. The ports have all the features a professional camera should have: full-size HDMI, USB-C, microphone and headphone inputs. With 3 1/4-20 mounting points, you can connect directly without extra rigs or accessories, which is great for those who don't want to use a gimbal or additional cage. Image quality and sensor. One of the most striking features of the Sony FX30 is its 26-megapixel APS-C, Super 35 BSI sensor. It supports 10-bit 4:2:2 recording and 16-bit RAW output, making it a great option for professional shooting. Sony's S-Cinetone color profile gives images a natural, cinematic feel, while shooting at up to 120 FPS in 4K resolution, and oversampling technology ensures incredibly sharp detail. Low light performance is also impressive. Dual native ISOs, ISO 800 and 2500, ensure clean, noise-free images for both day and night shooting. S-Log 3 and HLG color profiles are also available, providing great flexibility in post-production. This video is all for you. I need your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Autofocus and stabilization. The autofocus system is very powerful. Real-time eye tracking, contrast plus phase detection AF system, and people, animal and vehicle tracking ensure zero errors even in moving scenes. It's especially great for fast-moving subjects such as sports, weddings and documentaries. Sony also excels with in-body stabilization, IBIS. With the 5-axis image stabilization system, you can get smooth and stable images even without using a gimbal. Audio performance. In terms of audio performance, the built-in microphone is sufficient for basic voice recordings, but for professional work you may need to use an external microphone. However, with XLR adapter support, you can easily connect professional audio equipment. This is especially useful for interviews, documentaries and commercial projects. I need you so much. I would love it if you like the video and subscribe. User experience. The user experience of the Sony FX30 is very user-friendly. The menu is designed similarly to the FX3 and Alpha series. The touch and swivel screen is very practical for both vloggers and professional filmmakers. Navigating through the menu is easy and fast. Also, loot support is a big plus. By uploading your own loots, you can instantly see the final look during shooting, which is a great convenience in post-production. Battery life and charging. The FX30's NPF-Z100 battery performs very well. You can shoot continuously for about 2 hours. Power supply support via USB-C is a big plus for long-term projects. There's also support for dual SD cards and CF Express Type A for continuous recording and backups at high data rates. Battery life may be limited for long shoots, so it's worth carrying a spare battery or using an external power supply. Charging time is around 2 hours. Everything is possible with your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Missing aspects. Of course, no device is perfect. The Sony FX30's shortcomings include the lack of a built-in viewfinder, which could be a disadvantage for photographers. The lack of a full-frame sensor, while great for those who like the Super 35 format, could be a limitation for those who want full-frame. Also, the lack of a built-in ND filter requires you to use an external ND filter when shooting outdoors. Comparison with competitors. When we compare the FX30 to its competitors, we see that it has similar features to models like the FX3 and Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. It has almost identical image processing capabilities to the FX3, but the FX30 is much more affordable than the FX3. Compared to the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K, it offers more advanced autofocus and better stabilization. So it's a very balanced camera in terms of price performance. I need your support to make you like the videos even more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Low light video performance. The Sony FX30 excels in low light conditions thanks to dual local ISO 800 and 2500. Even at ISO 2500, you can record clean and detailed footage with no obvious grain in the image. A slight noise is noticeable when you increase the ISO level. As for dynamic range, the S-Log3 profile provides balanced results in shadows and bright areas, thermal performance and long shooting endurance. Despite its compact design, the Sony FX30 features an advanced cooling system. Thanks to active fan cooling, there are no heating problems even during long-term 4K 120 FPS shooting. There's no performance degradation or shutdown when recording 4K 60 FPS for more than 1 hour. Your support is very important. Please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Using in-camera internal loot. The Sony FX30 offers built-in loot support, which makes it possible to better see color adjustments while shooting. Apart from S-Cinetone and S-Log3 loots, users can upload their custom loots and preview them directly in camera. This is a big advantage in post-production. Color science and hue transitions. Sony's S-Cinetone color profile is also included in the FX30, with good results. Skin tones look natural and soft, and color gradations are very smooth. However, Sony's colors can be more neutral, so those who like the warm tones of Fuji or Canon may need to customize the color profiles. This video was made to better inform you. Everything will be better with your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Rolling shutter performance. The Sony FX30 can have a bit of a rolling shutter effect with fast panning. However, this effect can be minimized with a shutter speed of 1/120 or faster. The effect is reduced when used with a gimbal or stabilization systems. Photo capability. Although the FX30 is a video-focused camera, it is also quite capable in still photography with its 26MP APS-C sensor. It can shoot bursts up to 8 FPS in continuous shooting mode. We are waiting for you for new videos. Subscribe to our channel and support me. Let's grow together. Conclusion. The Sony FX30 is the perfect entry-level camera for those who want to shoot cinema-quality video. Its compact build, powerful sensor, superior autofocus capabilities and professional color profiles really make a difference. It's definitely an option to consider for YouTube content, short films or commercial projects. What about you? What do you think about this camera? Will the Sony FX30 meet your expectations? I look forward to your comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next review. Bye.